When you open iRise Studio, the welcome screen is the first thing you will see. In the welcome screen, you can create a new blank project, or you can open an existing project either with the Open a Project link or by selecting a project you recently had open in Studio. The links in the lower left corner lead to several learning resources. If you don't want to see the welcome screen each time you open Studio, select the checkbox in the bottom left corner of the window and then close the welcome screen. If you change your mind, you can always access the welcome screen from the Studio Help menu. Now let's take a look at the Studio Workspace. When you create a new project in iRise, your first page is automatically created for you, which is what we have displayed in our workspace now. You can see that the page is selected in our directory panel. As we add more components to the directory, selecting them will change our view in the main workspace. Whatever we select in the directory is displayed here. When we expand the new menu above the directory, we can see the different types of project components available in iRise. Choosing a component from this menu is one of several ways to add it to your project. As the list of components in your directory grows, it's a good idea to organize them in folders. You can drag components into your folders when the need arises. The Details panel is used to configure the attributes of anything you create in iRise. What appears in this panel is determined by the object we have selected in the workspace. Right now we have our original page selected. As we add more content to this project in later videos, you'll see how the panel changes when different objects are selected. The Studio environment is organized around its two primary purposes. Most of your time will be spent visualizing scenarios and user interfaces in Simulation View. When it's time to capture text requirements, you'll switch to Document View using the toggle buttons above the directory panel. And to test your simulation in iRise Reader, just click the green Launch button. Basic formatting such as fonts and background colors can be applied using the formatting toolbar. For additional formatting controls, click the icon on the far right of the toolbar to open the formatting panel. When working in Simulation View, the widget toolbar provides easy access to most of the content you'll add to your pages and scenarios. To add a widget to your workspace, just drag and drop. As reviewers start adding comments to your project, you can view them in the comment panel. You can also add comments in Studio using the right-click menu. While this video only scratched the surface, it should serve as a good foundation as you continue to explore the capabilities of iRise Studio.